Quite a few people keep asking me about meme coins, which is going to be the big play of 2025, and more importantly, is Pepe really going to do what you've been saying? Well, I'm going to break down some key things you need to be aware of and why I think there's a move coming for Pepe very, very soon. So make sure you hit that like button and you subscribe to the channel for all your daily cryptocurrency content. And with that being said, let's get into this video. So before we get into the main event, the talk about Pepe, I just want to let you know about the project I launched. That's Marbits. Do check out the link in the description. We did another $500 giveaway race tonight on my live stream. If you want to grab some bits and get over and support the token, do check that link out. Join the Telegram, ask as many questions as you want. It is a bullish project. We've got a lot of stuff coming and it's definitely something you don't want to miss. So check out that link as always in the description. But let's talk about Pepe. Interestingly enough, on Christmas Day, they actually put this out, which was lots of pictures of Pepe the Frog with a Chrysler. Now, I'm not saying that there is a big Chrysler coming out. Clearly, this was an AI generated image, but I thought it was very interesting. The sentiment that there is a specific car brand that has been used to it. Is this an indication of what could be coming in the future? Who knows? But I thought it was very interesting and a very key choice of what they are picking. Is this going to be a partnership that we see in the new year? Time will tell. But lots of people now are starting to get bullish once again on Pepe. Now, I talked all the way through the bear market as to how I thought Pepe was going to be a big player in 2025. I still stand by that sentiment. We do need to avoid the repeat of the summer 60% retracement, but that was in line with the broader market. Just quickly giving you a view of where the meme coin space is right now, $6.5 billion in volume and just under $95 billion as a market cap. It is the third biggest cryptocurrency by market cap for a meme token, ahead of Bonk, Pudgy Penguins, Dog with Hat, Floki, and just behind Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. In fact, 5 billion gets it to the number 2 meme coin spot. So if you believe that's going to happen, smash that like button. But people are predicting that we're going to see a big Pepe move. If you take the Fibonacci as an example, you can see that Pepe did close the trading session around 1705 with a small bounce and actually starting to reprint a slightly higher move as to where we sit now around the 18 level. Now, I still think that is a cheap buy, but it's still a strong position to be in. But like I said, I think there is a lot more to come. The meme coin rally in April saw retracements of around 78%. In the last 3 months, though, after forming a new high in late May, we consider to look at the upside potential. In fact, similarities need to play out in order for Pepe and market conditions to move in line with the rest of the meme space. Recent weeks, we've retested things like the 100K level multiple times and hit a high of 108 on Bitcoin. We know that Bitcoin tends to move, meme coins and altcoins move afterwards. And there is more bullish news when it comes to Pepe. Lots of people right now are in a world where they're questioning whether Pepe can move. Take this article, for example, quote, Pepe's run this year has been nothing short of phenomenal. The meme coin is one of the market's top gainers following its over 1,000% increase in the past 12 months. However, the broader cryptocurrency market started encountering negative sentiment and bearish trends. But ultimately, Jerome Powell saying they couldn't have Bitcoin as a reserve asset. The Pepe price followed in the same footsteps. As of the time of writing, Pepe is trading around the 0.000018, down around 5%. The recent uptick from the coin's deep red level suggests that Pepe could be getting ready to move out of the red zone. And this is an important narrative to think about. Meme coins have this ability to just send to the upside. And I want to break down just a little bit on this price structure so you know where Pepe is going to be. Two things to note. If we go to a slightly higher time frame, the 3-day chart, you can see the Bollinger Bands are starting to tighten. That's in line with some key consolidation, which would indicate we've got a strong move coming. The last time we saw this happen, we actually saw a very strong move to the upside. You can go back previous and see exactly the same. A tightening in the Bollinger Bands aligned with volume, giving us a push to the upside. If we are seeing the same here, the argument would therefore be that we should be seeing an upside move when it comes to Pepe. This needs to move in line with the market, but I absolutely believe we are going to see that. Take the daily candle, we start to see a similar picture in which we actually got this tightening with a downside move. So we are in a place of decisions. And I think the same can be said for Bitcoin. Personally, my view, I think Pepe historically on a longer time frame does tend to move to the upside when the tightening of the Bollinger Band comes in. Depending on how tight those Bollinger Bands are, depends how quickly the price moves to the upside. You only have to take the meme coin narrative as a sector, and we actually are in a bullish sentiment as where that plays out. And I think we're going to see that move. Take the weekly candle as an example. Right now, we are very much on our way closing in. We saw this big widening pattern in the Bollinger Bands. Likewise, at the same time, looking at that fib retracement from the top level into that more space level spread out, you can see we're looking to retest the 236 Fibonacci and start to push up to some of these levels. 2187 gets us around the 0.5, which we have used as a previous support and resistance line. So Pepe, in my opinion, has a lot of upside potential to come. You look at our trend over the month, this is a bullish sentiment. It's an uptrend and it continues to move that way. Meme coins have this, like I said, ability to move 10, 12, maybe even 15% in one single day. The key thing though is staying bullish on what you think. Pepe has the narrative, it has the community, and like we always say, we don't know what it can truly do in a bull market. I'm excited. I hold Pepe, and if you want to hold more bits, check out that link as always in the description. Come and join our community. We'd really appreciate you guys being over there. We've got lots of stuff planned, as I said at the start of this video, but drop a like if you're bullish on Pepe. Let me know your price predictions down below, and do you think there is a Chrysler partnership? I'm curious on your thoughts. As always, thank you so much for watching the video. Hit that like and subscribe button. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.